Hi, welcome back to Lou's Simple Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook broccoli with tofu and mushroom. Here are the ingredients. 1/2 bag of broccoli, chopped garlic, chopped onion, 2 pack of mushroom. I have tofu, 2 pack also like size of this. I use garlic salt, pepper, sesame oil, and my favorite vegetarian oyster sauce. I also will use potato starch. Let's get started. We will use oil to cook and saute the tofu. Put the garlic first. And then the onion. Now I'm gonna put the 2 pack of tofu. The size of the tofu is supposed to be like this if you cut them. While I'm waiting for the tofu to get brown, I'm gonna mix small amount of water with potato starch. Now, I'm gonna mix a little bit of oyster sauce, to just put a taste on the tofu. I'm gonna add our broccoli. Now I'm gonna put some more taste for the broccoli at the same time. And I'm gonna add water to have a little bit of sauce. So we'll cover for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna put this. And we'll wait until it simmer. A little bit of pepper. Put a little bit of pepper. A little of salt. Then I'm gonna put the sesame oil. As you can see, this is best served with rice. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.